Another part of spring cleaning for us out here is upgrading this short shed, which obviously doesn't look quite right sitting the way it is right now. But we just put the stilts on it, halfway through upgrading it, and turning a short shed into something that we can actually walk into, store things proper. And now we're gonna try and make it a little more functional for storing our stuff. And you'll see what kind of things we put in there, but of course we just cleared it out. We had some lumber in it, so get into it here.
Yeah. Don't criticize it. Got to smoke it. Lawyer, smoke it. Like our man Bob. Nurses, smoke it, yeah. Yeah. Get caught, smoke it.
As we were going through the thing, we realized there was some stuff in there that we shouldn't necessarily be storing anymore, or things that we didn't even know that we had.
Legalized it. Check. Legalized it, yeah. Yeah.
All just another way to make good use of the time. As you can see, it's a pretty sweet shed, and it's actually on the move right now. So my dad braced this thing up pretty nicely. We're gonna put the rest of the 1x on it when we get to the top of the hill. And we're gonna put a good gutter on the thing too, so we can catch some more rain. If I need to, you know, I'm gonna push from behind here, but I hopefully won't need to do that. Still needs some work, but we did put a gutter on the back. The cool thing about this gutter too, so when you're catching rain, you're washing off the roof and you're catching a lot of dirt too. So now we have this catch here, so as the water's coming down, and the first, like if this was empty, the first bit of water that comes off the roof is the dirtiest, and as it's coming down it fills this up, and all the dirtiest water's down here, and then it overflows and heads down into our tank. So now that some of this wood's chopped, got it up here by the power of the tractor, the woodshed is starting to fill up. It's been upgraded, the walls are on now, we've got lumber over there. Now we're stocking up for a good cord of wood or so, at least right here. It's stacked up like that so air can get through and it can dry out proper. It's underneath the roof, so it should be in perfect condition to actually dry out.